Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the structure and function of nucleolus, and this is for the BSc Geology Honours Part 3, Paper 6. What is nucleolus? Nucleolus is a round body located inside the nucleus of a eukaryotic cell, and it is not surrounded by a membrane but sits in the nucleus, and nucleolus makes ribosomal subunit from protein and ribosomal RNA. Nucleolus was first recognized by Fontana in 1874. It is usually spherical body situated within the nucleus, either in central or peripheral position. It is found in close association with the nucleolar organizer region of two or more chromosomes. Nucleoli were divided into two main groups, plasmosome and karyosome. Plasmosome or true nuclei stain with acidic dye and disappear during mitosis, whereas karyosomes are false nuclei stained with basic dye and are flakes of chromatin. What is chemical composition of nucleolus? Nucleolus contain DNA of nuclear organizer, 4 types of rRNA, 70 type of ribosomal protein, RNA binding protein, for example nucleolin, and RNA splicing nucleoprotein. It also contains phospholipids, orthophosphate, and calcium ion and some enzymes. What is the number of nucleolus in cell? Most cells contain in their nuclei one or more prominent spherical colloidal acidophilic bodies called nuclei. However, cells of bacteria and yeast lack nucleolus. Size of the nucleolus is found to be related with the synthetic activity of the cell. Therefore, the cell with little or no synthetic activities, for example sperm cell, blastomere, muscle cell, are found to contain smaller or no nuclei, while the oocytes, neurons, and secretory cells which synthesize the protein or other substances contain comparatively large size nuclei. The number is related with the metabolic activity of the cell. Structure of the nucleolus. So as we can see in this diagram, this is the structure of the nucleus, and inside the central rounded body is nucleolus, which sits in the nucleoplasm, and it is inside the nucleus. What are the functions of the nucleolus? So the most important function of nucleolus is ribosome formation or biogenesis of ribosome, and second is synthesis and storage of RNA. However, its additional functions are also known, such as regulation of mitosis, cell cycle progression, stress response, and biogenesis of multiple ribonucleoprotein complexes. The nucleolus is known to capture and immobilize protein, a process known as nuclear detention. What are the components of the nucleolus? Fibrillar center. This pale staining part represents the innermost region of the nucleolus, and the RNA gene of nuclear organizer of chromosome are located in this region. The transcription of these genes is also initiated in this region. Second component of nucleolus is dense fibrillar component. This region surrounds the fibrillar center, and RNA synthesis progresses in this region. The 70 ribosomal protein also bind to the transcript in this region. Cortical granular component. This is the outermost region of the nucleus where processing and maturation of pre-ribosomal particle occurs. Regarding organization, so nuclei are formed around specific gene loci called nuclear organizing regions. and nuclear organizing region is composed of tandem repeats of rRNA genes. The human genome contains more than 200 clustered copies of rRNA gene on 5 different chromosomes 13, 14, 15, 21 and 22. In ribosome biogenesis, 2 of the 3 eukaryotic RNA polymerase are required and these function in a coordinated manner. Regarding ribosomal biogenesis, cleavage within the external transcribe spacer near 5' end of the pre-rRNA, which take place during the early stage of transcription, require U3 smaller nuclear RNP. Once transcription is complete, the external transcribe spacer at the 3' end of molecule is removed, yielding separate precursor at to the 18S and 5.8S plus 28S rRNA. Additional cleavage then result in the formation of mature rRNA. Nuclear sequestration. The nucleolus is known to capture and immobilize protein, then are unable to diffuse and to interact with their binding partner. It is now known that non-coding RNA originating from intergenic region of the nucleolus are responsible for this phenomenon. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.